Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook sea grapes and shiitake chawanmushi in Heartopia. So in this new update, there is a new event that called Call of Wheels event, and in this event, you can cook any new special recipe, and one of them is the sea grape and shiitake chawanmushi. But I think this recipe will be a permanent recipe. So after the event is over, you can still cook it. And to cook this recipe is very easy. First, just go to your stove, the ordinary stove like this, and then after that, just tap on it, and then just choose the recipe, this one. You can get this recipe or you can buy this recipe from NPC Massimo. And then after that, in here you just need to complete all the ingredients. You just need sea grapes, 2 sea grapes, and then shiitake mushroom, and then pasteurized egg. You can just buy this egg from the NPC Massimo too. And then after that, after you complete all the ingredients, just simply tap start cooking like this. And then just cook the recipe. And just like that, you will successfully cook this sea grape and shiitake chawanmushi. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!